forward rate has to start in the future. And here we have some funky notation. So we've got notations such as 2y, 1y or 1y, 2y. So you need to understand what this means. So what it means is the first part of the notation tells me when I'm going to start lending or borrowing on the timeline. So the 2y here means that the start occurs at this point. And then the 1y, the second part, tells me how long I'm going to borrow or lend for. So in this case, 1 year brings me here. So I could think of this as the 2y, 1y rate. Or another way in which you can express this is you can say, in 2 years' time, I'm going to lend for the duration of 1 year. Okay, so that's the first example. Let's have a look at the second example. The second example is the 1y, 2y. So now what am I saying? The first part says when I'm going to start. The second part tells me how long I'm going to lend for. So in 1 year from today, here I am today. In 1 year from today, I'm going to start lending. And I'm going to lend for the duration of 2 years. So I'm going to end up here. So that here must represent the 1y, 2y forward rate.